So hey guys, I'm gonna show you today is how to zip a file. So here we go. Now I will choose a file which is going to be zipped. So we gonna zip the file named WordPress, which is I'm showing with my arrow. So first of all, go to Setting 2, then there is option compress zipped folder. Select this option. After that, you will see the zip file there. You have to find. So the file is already zipped, so you can watch there the all pictures are appears in the zip folder. So thank you for watching. That was all about today.